what we have for you for today. It's called Buzz, and it's basically artificial intelligence driven app for audio transcription. It's free and open source, supports both Windows and Linux, and it's very easy to install. So check their GitHub page, let me show you, and in here check on releases. I downloaded this latest release. In here you have version for ARM, for Mac. These three files you have to download if you want to use it with Windows, and this one is for Linux. So I downloaded these three files and I already installed Buzz on my machine, and let me show you how it works. You can take input from microphone, from local file, or from remote resources. And let me show you preferences. And if you want to use it only with CPU, you have this option to check it. In here also you can check models, but I'm going to show you how to install models from different window. And now let me show you two files that I prepared for this episode. One is free that I downloaded from the internet.
Good afternoon. It's currently 12:34.
And the second one is actually my voice from one of my episodes. Now we are going to talk about another way to liberate resources of your Windows 11. Alright, so we are going to test these two files. I'm going to check on plus. And let's try first with this example MP3. You can select your model from here. As you can see, you have various options. I'm using this Whisper CPP model Tiny. You can actually try any of these, but Tiny serves the purpose. Task is transcribe or transcribe to English. You can try any of these options. You can allow it to detect language itself, or you can select one. Let's go to advanced options. In here you can check translation too if you want, and if you need you can add some initial prompt. Alright, so I want to extract speech and I want to export it in TXT. Okay, let me run it. Alright. I need to open my directory. Let me see the result. Alright, let's try with this second one. It's done. Yeah, those are my words. So guys, I hope that you learned something new and interesting. Please like, subscribe. See ya!